how to make slime. Who wants to know? Us. Well, we are actually gonna do a slime man with slime. So let's get started. Okay then, here's my slime. Okay, so here's my slime. I'm gonna make a snowman. And if you like mine, I did it with all the colors of food coloring. And then I put gold glitter, and that's how you make it. So I am going to be using my own head. Okay? My own head. And here's my own head. Then next I'm going to be doing now let's make the legs. I made the legs, now the eyes. Here's one. Here's two. Now it's the mouth. Now it's the arm. I have one. Let's do another one. Here's two. Then I made 3 balls in the middle at the stomach. Then I made a hat.